fell out. Be right back. Hey guys, it's your girl Ty Alexander from Gorgeous and Gray, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I appreciate you because you could be anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with us. So thank you for joining the party. If you are an old subscriber, follower, been with me since day one, you the real OG. I appreciate you. So Target is partnering with Unilever to bring you head-to-toe Halloween inspirations from your favorite influencers, and yes, they tapped your girl to show you today how to do a super sexy glam vampire look, minus the blood, because your girl hates blood. But I'm going to show you using some products that I found at Target. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to start off washing and conditioning my hair with this Suave Keratin Infusion Professional Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this stuff because, as you know, I've recently relaxed my hair. So I'm always looking for products that stretch the relaxing process so I don't have to put as much chemicals on my hair. So after I've scratched and scratched, I take my comb and I just comb through the shampoo. Usually I do this in front of the sink, so all this cannot be here, but I'm recording for y'all. So yeah, this gets all the hair, dead hair. Because now that my hair is short, I don't comb my hair as much. I try to remember, but yeah, no. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little excess hair. So I just comb it all back, and then I get in the shower and rinse and condition. So, BRB. So now that I'm all clean and I have stripped away all of the dirt and oil, I'm gonna go back in and put the moisture in with the Suave Keratin Infused Conditioner. I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to go in with the Tresemme Heat Tamer, because while I'm going to mold my hair into like a nice finger wave situation, when I actually lift it to go curl it, I want to make sure that my hair is protected. And I'm smarter than this thing. Unlock. There we go. And a little goes a long way. So next I'm going to part my hair and begin the mold process. It's super easy. All you need is some mousse. Any mousse that works with your hair texture will do. So I'm doing a slick down look, so this part is relatively easy. You're just gonna part the hair over to the side with the mousse and then do a little swoosh situation. I'm gonna sit on the dryer for 10, 20 minutes, maybe 30, depending on how well it goes. Okay, so we are mostly dry and all the way hot. 20 minutes under the dryer will do that to you. So now I'm going to tie my favorite scarf around my head while I do my vampire look. I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in Myco. Don't know how to pronounce it. Never have, never will. I'm not a beauty blender kind of girl, so I almost always use my brush. And then after I do my foundation, I set it with, this is Beauty Bakery setting powder in yellow. And I just do a really light dusting of it. And I just kind of work it into my foundation. And you can kind of see the instant zhuzh that it gave my skin. set and even. So next up, I'm going to do a little contouring, and you want to bring it up kind of high to create a nice long cheek. So I start here and I come down, and same for this one. And then I put a little bit on my nose, and then I just kind of dab it up in an upward motion to create that shadow. Then you can use a highlight or a contour. I usually use one that's like 3 shades lighter than me to create that highlight effect. And some people draw squares, some people draw circles. I really have not a drop of rhyme or reason to this. I just get it on here. Sometimes I put the contour on first. Sometimes I put the highlighter on first. I haven't really figured out if there's really a like science. I do bring it all the way up though, so that I get like under the eye to create lots of shadow. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Normally I don't put any up top there because I have bangs. So the bangs and the gray hardly ever play nice together. So I don't usually put it there. But since I have my hair slicked down, I'm gonna do a little there. Now my war paint is on. And then I let it sit for, I don't know, 60 seconds. And then I go just to get it a little thick so that I can kind of really create some lightening situation. And again, I don't really use a beauty blender. It's not my steez. And I don't really have a reason. I think initially I just really do hate getting my hands messy. But a brush, a beauty blender, whatever you feel like is best, whatever you're comfortable with, that's what you should use. See that natural. So now I'm gonna do a little shadow. Normally I would put some primer there, but I'm working fast and quick. I'm gonna bring it out all the way out here. And around the eye. It's gonna look like someone beat me up. That's how I want it to look. So now that you have 2 black eyes and you're looking semi-scary, you want to go into the corner of the smoky eye and make it a little bit darker. So a black or a dark brown will do. I'm going to use a dark brown color. So right there on the crease, on the end, you want to make it darker. That looks scary. It look bloody. Then you want to finish up the lid with a smoky, like a black color, and really smudge the look out. It's gonna look even more like a black eye, but trust me, you're doing it right. I'm just gonna draw a line. This is actually a dark blue color. And then you're gonna smudge it up and around to meet the rest of the color. And once you've done the top, you want to do the bottom. And you want to bring it all the way down. And now you want to go in and just clean up the area a little bit with, I can never say with. And again, you just want to bring it all the way down. Down, down, down for the count. I don't even know what song that is, but whatever. And you can never blend too much. Like, I blend for days on a normal look. Then you want to add just a smidget of blush. I really want this look to be mainly flat. Then you're going to take a black liner and you're going to draw your veins on. And the veins should just kind of look like branches. I don't know how to explain how to draw this. You're just gonna do a little squiggly situation. That one's a little too thick. Ooh. And then I'm gonna let that dry. We're just gonna dilute it a little bit with the brush rather. There we go. Now we have creepy veins. I used the black glue because someone else used it and I was like, oh, black glue. So I'm gonna let it sit just a smidget. And I'm gonna push this bad boy on my eyeball. I feel like it's like an all or nothing type of thing. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, I put lashes on by my freaking self. Okay. And the last thing I'm gonna add is some dark purple lipstick. And I think we're done. Yes, I think we're done.